Looking at it, everything is nicely displayed and ready to be gifted. Getting everything out of the package, you've got the instructional book, practice notepad, the pen itself, 3 different size nibs in screw-in sections, an eraser, pile of ink cartridges, and a pencil. The included cartridges come in 3 different colors, and you get a 1, a 1.5, and a 2mm stub nib. Taking the 1.5mm, you install the ink cartridge as you would normally by pressing it into the back of the section until you hear a click. With this now installed, we will screw the pen body into the section, which has a textured rubberized grip, and replace the snap cap. The cap has a ball end clip, which is fairly firm, but should still be easy to clip over a pocket or a collar. A unique feature of these pens is that they don't use traditional feeds to provide ink to the nib. Rather, they use a wick, which you can see from the back side of the section. One of these wicks is protruding far enough that you can see it on the underside of the nib. With the instructional book, I took a better look off camera. While short, it's fairly detailed, containing explanations and guides on a number of different hand lettering fonts. The practice pad has example alphabets for each font, as well as different sized pre-ruled pages for the different width stub nibs. I've never personally done hand lettering, so the writing sample will be me using this as I would any fountain pen. Overall, this pen would make a great gift. Comes with everything you need to get started with hand lettering. And at the $10 I paid for it by buying it from Aldi in the Aldi Find section, it's a fairly good deal. Elsewhere I saw this kit for roughly $20, so it's a fairly decent savings. Compared to a similar kit I picked up from Five Below, the instructional booklet was significantly more detailed, and the build quality of the pen was about the same and wrote quite well. And if you've made it all the way to the end of the video, it's possible you'll enjoy my future content as well, so please hit the subscribe button.